Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today for this, I hope, super fun Primark haul. Guys, so I was in Primark today just having a look to see if we had kind of maybe started bringing in some summer items. I love Primark sunglasses. I love their flip-flops. So I'm always on the hunt for those for my holiday to Canada. So when I was there today, they didn't have a huge selection of summer stuff that I would like to purchase. So I went around the whole shop. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Primark, or as other people say it, Primark. It's commonly known as Primark in Belfast. I don't know if you guys know, but there are two Primarks. There is a Primark shop that has men's and children's, and then there is a separate Primark that has currently three floors of all ladies clothing and accessories like bags and shoes, scarves, all things like that. I don't know if you guys are aware that our Primark, we did have a fire in what used to be a historic landmark in Belfast called the Bank Buildings. It has been around for hundreds of years. And then about 2 years ago, maybe three, Primark had a huge fire in Belfast. If you guys are interested in knowing all about that, you can catch it up on YouTube or go online and stream it, and you can see actually what happened to our Primark. So while the bank building is being renovated, which could take a couple of years, 3, possibly 4 years, we now have two Primarks. So I was only in the ladies Primark today, so everything I got in this haul is for me. So I want to share it with you guys. The first thing I got, and I am excited about, let me just do this so I can show you guys better, are these standard leggings. Let me actually pop you guys down because it's easier to see when I pop you down, but I like to show the bag in the background so you guys know what haul is coming up. These are standard leggings. They are £2.50, I think. Yep, they're £2.50. I always get an extra large because I find when I buy these, I tend to dry them in the tumble dryer and they shrink. So I don't mind getting the extra large. They are a little big, but I don't mind that because again, they shrink in the tumble dryer. So I always buy bigger, knowing that that's exactly what's going to happen. Guys, these are really, really good quality. You can see that the stitching is excellent. They are so super soft and so stretchy. These are always a staple in my bag when I visit Primark. For £2.50, they're awesome. They do come in other colours. They come in a navy colour and I think white. But I generally tend to stick with the black because I wear a lot more black bottoms, so I'm darker when on the bottoms, and I do tend to brighten it up with a little bit of fresh color on top. So perfect. The next thing I bought was just a set of crew socks. They are in size 4 to 8. I'm a size 6, so these are perfect for me. You're getting 5 pairs of black socks for £1.80. These are definitely a bargain. So guys, if you ever need in black socks, go to Primark, pick them up for £1.80 and they're awesome. The next thing that I picked up are these bicycle shorts. They're just black, straightforward bicycle shorts, same sort of material as the leggings. I wear a lot of kind of skirts in the summer to work and whatever, and I don't like the fact that some of them are see-through. The style of the skirt is amazing, it's gorgeous, but you can actually see through the skirt sometimes. So these are just a great way to protect your modesty. They are £2.50 and again in extra large because when I wash these and dry them, they will shrink. I don't mind that because I always buy bigger. Like I said, with the leggings, I buy bigger to ensure that that I'm covered. So again, great quality, great stretch on the elastic, super cute, bit of fluff, but I don't mind fluff. So awesome. And it does say that they are an improved quality. And I've had bicycle shorts from Primark before, and they were okay, but these are nice. These are soft, stretchy, really good quality, and I'm over the moon with those. Let's see what else we have. Okay, we have, guys, this is probably going to be a bit of a short video. I do realize that a lot of my haul videos are quite large. I am going to try and do smaller hauls or visit the shops and buy a big haul and just split it over a couple of videos, because my videos are touching probably around 30 minutes. And I don't know if you guys think that's way too long or not. Let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to do the bigger hauls. I'm also happy to kind of break that down and have smaller hauls for you guys so that you're not sitting in front of your screen for 30 minutes listening to me. But let me know in the comments. This haul is going to be small. We've only got 4 more items to go through. So let me show you the next item. I am so excited about these. These are a pair of joggers. I'm just going to move this bag out of the way so I can show you better. And let's move some of these clothes that I've already shown you guys. These are super cute joggers. They are full length. They're cuffed at the bottom. What I like about them is it has this little extra detail where they've put this little, what is this called? This little pleat. So it just gives it more of a defined, nice fitted look. They're grey. I love a set of grey joggers. They are super soft. I mean, oh my gosh. They inside are fleeced, but they're super soft inside. Love it. Guys, these again are an extra large because I'm going to put these into my tumble dryer. In the winter, I tend to dry using the tumble dryer. I don't like using my radiators because it causes condensation in the house, which we all know can lead to having damp in your house and mold. So I don't do that. In the winter, I put all of my clothing into my tumble dryer. But every time I dry these, they do shrink. That's okay. I know that. So to compensate, I do buy them bigger. And these are just run around the house things. So I don't care that for the first maybe wear, they're really baggy. Because I know the next time I go to wear them after they've been washed, they're going to fit much better. And as they go through the cycle of wash, tumble dryer, they do become tighter and more fitted. So awesome. These are so cute. Look at these. They are Los Angeles, California. I love this little detail. The only downside to these track pants or jogging bottoms are that they don't have pockets. Now, I love a trouser with a pocket, and I actively search for trousers that have pockets. These ones don't. I'm not worried about that. I will not be wearing these outside my house. These are just runarounds. So I'm happy. Guys, bonus. These were £2. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. These were £2. Can you believe it? I mean, Primark have awesome sales throughout the year. They have awesome stuff. To get these for £2 was just so amazing. So I'm over the moon with that. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, guys, we have 3 items. I'm going to show you. I'm going to get rid of the rubbish. I'm going to show you this little one. So you can actually see what I meant earlier about putting color with the dark blacks. So I bought this super cute jumper. I know you guys can't really see it. Let me make it a bit easier for you guys to see. Okay, this is a gorgeous cerise, beautiful pink. Well, this isn't cerise actually. This is just a bright pink. The camera does make it look a little bit more vibrant than it is in real life, but it is still cute. It is still adorable. I love that it says Tokyo, and it's so soft. Like the inside is so fleeced. I have a ton of these jumpers. every time Primark bring out a new jumper, I do tend to buy it. I am wearing their Insta famous black one that I got last year. And I have bought probably another 3 or 4 of these. Some of these jumpers, I do cut this crew neck off because I like things a little with a wider neck. Some of them I keep this way just to make them look a little bit different and to add my own stamp. I have cut some of them off at the neck, so I'm able to wear it slightly off the shoulder. You guys can do whatever is good for you, but for me, I do like things a little off the shoulder. This one, I don't know if I'll do anything to this one because it is adorably cute. But these jumpers are £5. They're £5. I mean, they're so well made. They're awesome. What I notice about these though is that I have washed ones that I've got from Primark before. I have put them in the tumble dryer and they don't tend to shrink this way. They tend to shrink this way. So just bear that in mind. If you are buying one of these jumpers, just know that, I mean, they're fine. I still wear them. They're still in really good condition. And I've had a couple for 2 years. So these for me are amazing. I'm so excited. I will be wearing this tomorrow. So I'm so excited about this jumper, guys. And at £5, Primark actually have a whole range of these. There's super cute ones. They've got ones with hoods. They've got full zippies. This was my favorite today. So this is the one I picked up. And I love this color. It will go so pretty with the black. 2 more items. And this is already turning into a long video. I was kind of hoping that it wouldn't be that long, but it is. That's fine. I love a black scarf. Again with the black. But I love a black scarf. And this scarf, I had a black pashmina scarf. And I genuinely don't know where it is. I think I've lost it. And I had a multicolored scarf and I like this scarf, but it's very fluffy. So when you have it wrapped around you and the wind blows, you get the fluff from the scarf and it sticks on my lip gloss and it's just, it's irritating. So I don't tend to wear it that often. So when I went to Primark today, I saw this gorgeous black scarf with this stunning detail. I mean, I love that. Look how pretty that is. It is a full scarf and it was £3. The last one that I bought from Primark, I think was £4.50. Totally over the moon with this. It is so cute. And I'm going to take it off this hanger because tomorrow I'm going to wear it while I go to work. But this is huge. This is like a blanket. Honestly. And I love these because they're so cozy on a summer's evening. You don't want to put a jacket on because it's just too warm for a jacket. You have this totally stunning scarf to wrap around you. It is ultra soft and I love it. I mean, let me show you guys. This is the size of this scarf. It is huge and it's absolutely, totally and utterly, cannot speak, totally and utterly worth £3. Love it. Okay guys, the last item I have to show you is one of my it's also one of my staples that come from Primark. I love these little pumps with a pair of black skinny jeans and either a nice white top or a colorful top. They are so cute and adorable. They are so comfy. They stay on your feet. They're not wide feet. I mean, I don't have very big feet. I have a size 6 and they're not very wide, but these are super comfortable. What I do find after a while is that this part of it here, what is this called? Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, this part starts to kind of fade and whatever. So what I tend to do is buy a pair of insoles and put the memory foam insoles inside, and they're amazingly comfy. These are totally cute with a pair of skinny jeans, like I was saying, and you can, I mean, honestly, black pair of jeans, a black pair of these little cutesy pumps, and any top that you want. they're awesome. Guys, these are £3. And this isn't even on sale. These are always £3. I love the fact that they have the European and the USA size. So these are a European 39 and a US size 8. But £3, how can you walk past these? These are adorable. I love them. I do have a pair of these that that I have been wearing in black. I also bought a pair of grey that I haven't worn yet, but they are to go with a grey jumper that I'm going to buy from Primark. When I buy that, I'll show you guys, but that's what they're for. And then once the other black ones have kind of are ready to go to shoe heaven, these will be my replacement. So £3, I love them. They're cute, they're soft, they're adorable, and they are cheap. Awesome. So guys, that's everything that I have to show you today in this haul. Like I said, I am trying to keep these videos a little bit shorter. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the longer videos or like the shorter videos, because I do tend to buy a big haul all at once and then show you guys, but I can break that down into maybe 2 hauls or maybe 3 hauls. Let me know in the comments. I'm always interested in what you guys like. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All of the thumbs up that you guys give these video or the likes really help to support my channel and promote it. So thank you for helping me do that. And if all of you guys could please like this video, I would be so grateful. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell and you won't miss any. Guys, thank you again so much for joining me. I'm going to see you next time. See you later. Bye.